9 and 17 will be 10-8.
9 and 17 available.
You never know what you're walking into from day to day. There is a dangerous side to it, absolutely. I feel like with everything going on in the world, it only increases. There's people out there that absolutely can't stand us, and they just associate us as all law enforcement. You know, they don't really know that we're probation officers. They just see the vehicles being marked, or they see our uniforms, they see us carrying handguns, tasers, so automatically we're law enforcement and they're gonna hate us. In recent times, we've been just driving around the city, and especially after the protests and things like that going around the world, we've been given the middle finger. We have people that just stare us down. You may stop to talk to one of your individuals, but you don't know what they're capable of that giving day either. You know, we go into their residences, we say they can't have guns, you know, anything like that, but there could absolutely be weapons inside the houses that we're walking into. I'm an adult probation officer. That's the official title. I've been with APO for 11 years now. My partner's Aaron Geiser. I've been working with him for my entire career. When we need to do arrests, there's always one person that's contact, one person that's cover. When you're meeting with an individual, you know, you both give them feedback. You know, then they learn to trust you and your partner when you're working together, and they know that if they have an issue and they can't get a hold of them, they know, they're like, oh, well, you know, Sara comes out with Aaron all the time, or vice versa, I'll call them.
Well, when COVID was first happening, we would always go out and make sure, like, we would ask them, have you had any contact with anybody, you know, things like that. You never know. I mean, we're out in the public all the time, and it's just a safety risk at some, you know, interacting with them daily. You never know who they're around. You still got a job to do, but
You have a lot of difficult clients, but you also have those ones that really just need a fresh start in life, you know, and they just need that extra support that you can offer them as a probation officer, give them structure back into their life that they never had before. You know, it's easy for you and I to get up in the morning, go to work, you know, do what we need to do, but for some it's a struggle, and they just don't know where to restart to build their lives. They don't have the family support because they've burnt their bridges through years of addiction. They've relied on family members in the past and ultimately ended up doing the same thing over and over again that they said they wouldn't. So it's just a lot of rebuilding family relationships, the trust, you know, the offender regaining trust in themselves, you know, that they're not going to hurt their family members again, and that they can live a lifestyle, you know, sober and clean.
At my church, and now I got to go talk to the lady at the SPCA. I'm be doing that.
that's perfect. I like to see that you're following.
I would much rather all my offenders be successful than, you know, take any of them back to jail, but you have to react to the situation. You know, and a lot of times it's getting them to understand that this decision caused you to go back to jail. This was your decision. Once they can finally see that you're really not picking on them, or that you're not out to find every violation that you can find, and you're just honest with them about things, they learn to respect you.
Hey, that's it. Probation.